Hello, and welcome to another video on the Kit Jerry channel. And today I want to talk about the procedure of making money with your own forum. So I'm going to show you the 5 most effective ways to do exactly that. If you own any kind of forum, you better watch this video until the end, because it's gonna be worth it. And maybe there's one thing you didn't know yet that you yourself can add to your forum. So let's not waste any more time and let's begin with the first possibility you have to make money with your own forum. The first one is the common banner advertisement through an advertisement network. This might be the most popular method, several link to an advertisement network, which seems to be very unpopular, even though it's highly promising. It's called Media.net. But what can Media.net do? First thing I have to mention is the fact that it got big partners backing them up. The network was created by Yahoo and Bing, which got many big advertisement partners, and even publishers seem to be pretty capable, just to mention Forbes or MSN, which are big players who trust in Media.net. The network provides 3 core points of monetization: contextual ads, the marketplace, and programmatic ads. But what are contextual ads? Here's an image, which presents clearly what it's all about. These ads create text blocks, which are relevant to your content. Here, for example, it's something about German salad. In theory we have German salad ads. So it's based on the context of the content. On forum normally got many topics, and sometimes it might be more reasonable to build those blocks in the content to generate more clicks. As you can see, in the picture, you can customize many things like color, font or size, so it's easier to place the blocks inside the content. And as long as you got an English-speaking audience, the click rates tend to be very high. I personally tested this method and have to say that the results weren't that impressive. I got about 80 cents to €1.50 for every 1,000 views, but I also have to mention that the audience was mostly German, and maybe it's different with English content. But maybe the changes in the future when some ads are improved in their language liability. The marketplace is all about the direct contents between you and the advertisement partners. Let's say, for example, you have a dating forum. So brands like Partnership or similar ones can choose you as a direct partner and place their ads specifically on your forum. It's like an exchange with Media.net as your marketplace. Your third one is the programmatic ads. You're providing ad space, which is on your website. A popular example is the header building, which advertisement on top of the website, and advertisers can bid on that advertisement space. Crusade, it's a great opportunity for international forums, which are dedicated enough to include such banners for the sake of making money. The second way you can earn money with your forum: ourselves provider products. But what exactly do I mean with this? I'll explain it with the example of a dating forum. Here are many users who want to exchange information about texting men or women, or some tips for dating or whatever. I'd say this is a great opportunity to publish an ebook with top tips for online and offline dating. This ebook can then be advertised on the forum, and for let's say €10, users can get all information about dating in one complex ebook and everybody is satisfied. This technique might be a bit difficult because you have to come up with ideas about what kind of product you can sell and how to sell it at all. So you have to think carefully about what suits your community best. Let's look at method number 3. This video wouldn't be complete without mentioning linkvertis.net. Here's a short instruction on holding retires is especially profitable for forums. As an operator of a forum, you don't always have product to create, or just don't have the opportunity to provide advertisement banners. In general, but especially in those cases, linkvertis.net can make mountains move. That is because every type of traffic is able to be monetized through linkvertis.net. It's pretty simple, you just have to convert any link, may it be a download link or some other link, into a linkvertis link, which means converts to your own linkvertis.net. If this has been done, the end user will see ads for a couple of seconds before coming to the wanted website that the original link led to. As possible to make 10 to €15 for every 1,000 clicks, which is an enormous amount when you take in consideration that this method works with any kind of traffic. But what with click forums, which contain hundreds and thousands of links daily? How is it possible to convert them all? Of course, Linkvertis got the answer to your questions with the full page script API. You just have to copy this sec from your account, paste it on your website, and every external link will automatically be converted. That means if any post has some kind of link in it, it will automatically be monetized and you earn money with every click on that link. This is an outstanding opportunity for every forum operator. The link to linkvertis.net isn't a video description, and you can try it out and implement the API to your websites. I'm sure it will be absolutely worth it, particularly because you can use it in addition of all the other forms of monetization. There's no downside in signing in less than a minute on linkvertis.net. Let's come to the fourth method, which are direct partners in niche forums. But how does it work? Basically, you can provide a forum about every specific topic and gain a user base, which leads to becoming a community, which is easy monetizable with direct partners. Here, for example, we have a forum about FIFA 19. A very specific target group is exchanging information here, and brands like MMOGA might be interested in becoming a direct partner. MMOGA is an online label for games and in-game currencies. So don't be shy and contact companies like, "Hey, I manage a forum which fits perfectly in your target group. So I can offer to create top postings for a certain amount of money," which will be shown on the top of the forum threads. The downside about this method is the dependence on this particular partner and the amount of time it consumes to actually create these posts. So this isn't a passive technique, but a profitable way to make money with your forum. Method number 5 are affiliate products, or rather, any kind of affiliate marketing. Specific topics have a great potential to make money with affiliate programs. As an example, I can name Gamble Joe. It's basically just a forum about gambling. There are many blog entries, reports about certain experiences, even use compartments and many little more things. The really interesting part is that they make money just by conveying customers to online casinos. Of course, this topic might not be for everyone. But it's fascinating to see the amount of affiliate marketing in those areas. There are testing reports, user rankings and many other things from those online casinos, which acts as an advertisement in those kinds of forums. These are 5 methods to earn some money with your online forum. There are many more, but this is a short overview, and I hope this video helps you to increase the amount of money you will make with your own online forum. I intentionally left out things like pop-ups or layer advertisements because these are usually extremely annoying to deal with as a customer and won't generate that much revenue. I hope you learned something from this video, or maybe it gave you some new ideas. All links to Dimension websites will be in the video description. And if you want to see more videos about making money online, feel free to subscribe to this channel because that's the main topic here. See you in the next video. Ciao.